Good morning children. Today in this section we are going to see a new chapter, linear equation in two variables. Okay, so this is not new for us. Okay, the name linear equation is not new for us, isn't it? In our earlier classes we have studied in algebra about the types of polynomials, and there we have studied about the linear polynomial and linear equation. Okay, just we will recall once what is linear equation. Okay, so what is linear equation? Recall once. Is the equation has the degree 1. If the degree of the equation is 1, then it is called as a linear equation, isn't it? We have solved the problems based on linear equation in one variables, isn't it? Today, in this new chapter, we are going to solve the problems based on linear equation in two variables. First, we will recall once what is linear equation in one variable. Then we will see what is linear equation in two variables. Okay, so it's what is linear equation in one variable? The equation which has only one variable and the power of the variable is also 1. That is called as the linear equation in one variable. For example, 2x plus 3. See, here in this equation we are having only one variable x and the power of the variable is also 1. So, it is linear equation in one variable. Have you remember now? Yes. What do you know other thing about the linear equation in one variable? It has only one solution. It has only one solution. For example, the equation is given equal to 0. We can find the value of x as 2x is equal to plus 3 goes that side minus 3. So, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So, the only solution of this given linear equation is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And we can plot this value on the number line also. Okay. So, I hope now you are clear what is linear equation. You have recalled the concept, isn't it? Linear equation has the equation which has a power 1. In one variable, this like problems we solve much in our earlier classes. Okay. So, this is linear equation in one variable. If you solve the linear equation, we will be having only one solution. The point can be plotted on the number line. Okay. But today in this section, we are going to see about specially linear equation in two variables. Okay. So, by the name itself, you can guess how the equation will be. It should be a linear equation and has two variables. Here, you will be having two variables, maybe x and y, a, b. Likewise, any two variable involved in this equation. And also the main thing, the power of the variable will be 1. The power of the variable is always 1. That such type of equations are called linear equation in two variables. Let us see the general concept here. See, any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. See, any equation which can be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. See this equation, we are having two variables. What are the variables? X and y. We are having two variables x and y. The power of the variables is also 1. For the power of the variable x, the power is 1. For the variable y, the power is 1. See here, ax plus by plus c. A, b, c may be any real number. Takes the value of any real numbers. And the main thing, both a and b here, a and b, both not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Are both not equal to 0. Why means, if a becomes 0, the value of x becomes 0. Then it comes only one variable. So, only the important thing is in linear equation two variables, a and b both not equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variables. Okay, so this is the general form. We may give any example. For example, 3x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. See here, we are having in the form of ax plus by. B can take any real values, so I am taking minus 2 here plus c is equal to 0. So, such type of equations are called linear equation in two variables. It should have two alphabets, okay, variables there, okay. Instead of xy, we can use like this also, 3a plus 5b plus 6 is equal to 0. Instead of xy, we can use any other two variables also. Okay, and the important thing about the linear equation what you have to know is For the linear equation in two variables, the equation has infinitely many solutions. Such type of equations has infinitely many solutions. How means for each and every value of x, there exists corresponding value of y. For example, for this equation 3x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0. For example, if I put for this equation, if I put x is equal to 0. What will happen? If I put x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0. So, minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to minus 3 by minus 2. Y is equal to 3 by 2. For x is equal to 0, I got one value of y. If x is equal to 1, put the same for this. Put 1 x is equal to 1 for the same equation. If I put x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 plus 3, it becomes 6. Okay, so write next step 3 plus 3 minus 2y is equal to 0. That is 6 minus 2y is equal to 0. What will be the next one? So 2y minus 2y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 by minus 2. Y is equal to, we are getting the value of 3. See here, if I take this linear equation, if I take x is equal to 0, I am getting the corresponding value for y. If x is equal to 1, we are getting the corresponding value for y as y is equal to 3. So, for whatever the values of x we are substituting, there will exist a corresponding value of y and vice versa. How much if we substitute for y, the corresponding values will arrive for x. So only we are saying that this type of equation has infinitely many solutions. This type of equation has infinitely many solutions. Also, if you plot the points of the linear equation in two variables on a graph, we will be always getting a straight line graph. Okay, there is some exercise problem also we are having to solve in this method. Whenever we are plotting the points of the linear equation in two variables on a graph, we will get a straight line graph only. If you are not getting a straight line graph, your solution is wrong. Okay, always you will get the straight line graph only. Okay, so these are the things you have to keep in your mind about the linear equation in two variables. Based on this only, we are going to solve the problems. In this exercise, we are going to find the solution as well as we are going to plot the linear equation in the graph. And we are going to solve two linear equations also, and we are going to find the values. Okay, so see here, the linear equation is in the form of ax. The general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers, and the important thing a and b both not equal to 0. And the linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. And if you plot the points of the linear equation on a graph, we will be getting a straight line graph. Okay, children. So we will move to the exercise problem now. Okay, so we are going to solve the exercise problem now. Okay, so see in exercise 4.1 the first question. Here only two problems. They are very simple basic problems based on linear equation in two variables. Let us see the first problem now. See the first problem. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation in two variables. Here the question is given in the form of statement, okay, about the cost of pen and notebook. We have to express the statement in the form of linear equation in two variables. We have to express this given statement in the form of linear equation two variables. Just we have to create an equation with two variables. Okay, so how to do that? See the question again. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay, so we don't know what is the cost of notebook as well as the cost of pen. So what we are going to take first, later, x will be cost of, let us be the cost of notebook. After that, we don't know the cost of pen also, so take and y be the cost of a pen. Now, according to given, what is given in the question? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. The cost of notebook is here we taken as x is twice. Twice means two times. For example, if a notebook, if a pen is 2 rupees, what will be the cost of a notebook? Twice So x is equal to twice the cost of a pen. That means x is equal to 2y. Isn't it? So see here, the cost of notebook is equal to twice the cost of a pen. Now express this in the equation as a linear equation. So how to arrange this? X plus 2y comes here, minus 2y is equal to 0. Is linear equation in two variables. So we got the linear equation in two variables. Okay. So whatever the statement is given, read the statement thoroughly. Okay. And the unknown value is there. Give the variables as the value for the unknown values and frame the equation. This is the basic. But we are going to solve the problems framing the equation and solving the equation and finding the linear equation answer solutions also. Okay. So see here, we got x minus 2y is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. So this statement we have converted as a linear equation in two variables. Yes. What is the second question? Express the following in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. Here some equations are given. We have to arrange or express the equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and we have to indicate that is find the values of a, b and c. We have to identify what is the value of a, b and c. Okay, now see here 2x plus 3y. Already we are having here 2x plus 3y. Just rearrange the equation as 2x plus 3y. The constant comes here minus 9.355 is equal to 0. Actually this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We converted this now. See here, we can compare this form. And what is the value of a, b and c? The coefficient of x is called as a. What is the coefficient of x is here? The coefficient of x is 2. So a is equal to 2. And the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y here? b is equal to 3. And the constant term c is equal to minus 9.35. Very easy one, you know. Just convert as the form of ax plus by plus c and we have to find the value of a, b and c. Now x is equal to 3y. How to arrange this? We can change it as x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. There is no constant. So if you want to put the constant, we have to add no constant, we can take in the place 0. Otherwise it is simply. Okay. Now see, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X. So what is the value of a? What is the coefficient of x? Only x plus we have to take the coefficient as 1 into x, 1. So the value of a is equal to 1. And what is the value of b? B is equal to coefficient of y, that is minus 3. There is no constant term, so we can take c is equal to 0. Some different equation there, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Already it is arranged in the form of y minus constant equal to 0. Here the x term is missing. So I have to give in the form of ax plus by plus c. So how to express the x term? Some term is missing is just the coefficient of 0 into x. Just take the coefficient as 0 into x plus we are having y already and minus 2 equal to 0. See, the given equation we have expressed in the form of x, y and constant. X term is not there or y term is not there. Let's take the coefficient of the term as 0 and indicate as the equation. Okay. So now, what is a? A is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? We are having 0. So a is equal to 0. What is the value of y? B is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay. So in this exercise only we are having the problem. First and second problem. In second problem we have further subdivisions will be getting as the assignment. Okay. So based on the same way, all the subdivisions in the second problem we have to express in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and we have to find the values of a, b and c. Okay children, we will see the second exercise now. Now we are going to solve the problem in exercise 4.2. In this exercise we are having the problems based on the properties of linear equation in two variables. What we know, the linear equation graph has a straightened graph and it has infinitely many solutions. Based on this concept only, we are having the problems in exercise 4.2. In this, the first problem, see here, which of the following option is true and y. Okay, there for equation and the options here, we have to tell which is the option correct here and the reason also. Okay, see, y is equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, one into solution, infinitely many solution. What is the given equation here? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, in the first exercise we have arranged the equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here we have to let us arrange the equation and see. Okay, so if we rearrange the equation, we will be having 0 is equal to 3x minus y plus 5. That can be written as 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So what type of equation is this? This is a linear equation. See, by comparing we will be getting the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this given equation is linear equation in two variables, having the variables x and y. So for every linear equation in two variables, what about the solution nature? It has infinitely many solutions. So it has the option C, infinitely many solutions. And they are asking which is true. So the option C is true, and they are asking the question why. Why? The reason. As we are substituting the values of x, n number of values of x will be getting the corresponding values of y. Also vice versa and vice versa. As we substitute the number of values for x, we will be getting the corresponding values of y. So this system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, yeah, fine. Now see the second problem. Write 4 solutions for the given equation. Here some equations are given. We have to find 4 solutions for this equation. Okay, how we are going to find this? In general we are going to substitute any 4 values for x, and we are going to find the corresponding value for y. Okay, so we can take any -1, -2 integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, anything. We are going to take any 4 values. Okay, just for making it easy, we'll take the value of x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll substitute these 4 values and we will find the corresponding for whatever the equation you are getting. Find the 2 values, 4 values. Just take any 2 random values for x. Substitute in the equation and identify the value of y. We can get the 2 here we are going to find the 4 solutions. Okay. In the first subdivision, 2x plus y is equal to 7. The equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now, I am taking the 4 values of x as 0, 1, 2, 3. We are going to arrive 4 corresponding values for each value of x here. How? See that first if I am substituting x is equal to 0. If I am substituting x is equal to 0 in this given equation, we will be getting the equation as 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. What is 2 into 0? That is 0. So 0 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. We got the first solution as, what is the solution? 0, 7. If x is 0, y is equal to 7. Okay, now let x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, substitute in the equation 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. What is 2 into 1? 2 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 2. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 5. We got the value of y. So the second set of solution what we got here, if I substitute the value of x1, we are getting the corresponding value for y as 5. We got 2 solutions, 2 more solutions we have to find. For that, let first x is equal to 2. If I am taking x is equal to 2, we have to take the equation. So 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 2 is 4 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 4, y is equal to 3. We got the second set of solution what we got here. If we take x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Likewise the final solution, if I am taking x is equal to 3, what will be the solution tell me? 2 into 3, that is 6 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6 plus 6 goes there, it is minus 6. So we got the y as 1. So the next set of solution is 3, 1. So What are those four solutions? 0, 7, 1, 5, 2, 3 and 3, 1. For corresponding values of x, we are getting the corresponding value of 1. Okay. Apart from these four numbers, you can take any four numbers randomly and you can find the four solutions for the given equation. Okay. Now we will do the second subdivision. Here we are having pi. Okay. Here you have few more subdivisions also. You can do that as homework. Here I chose only two subdivisions to solve. In the second subdivision, we are having the pi value. Pi means nothing. We have to choose the four optimum values for x. Then we have to find the value of y. Let us solve the second subdivision now. Okay. Now see the second subdivision, children. What is the second subdivision question? We are having pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. So I am going to choose the x value here randomly. First x is equal to 0. First we will solve the x is equal to 0. If I take x is equal to 0, what will be happen in this equation? Pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9. So pi into 0 is 0 plus y is equal to 9. That is y is equal to 9. So we got one of the solution 0, 9. If I take x is equal to 0, we got the value of y as 9. The next one, see we are having pi now. If I put 1, pi will be multiplied with pi minus. You can take 1 to 3 also. As like the first subdivision 0, 1 to 3 also. For make a difference, I am taking the different value of x here as 2 by pi. The different value of pi as 2 by pi. Okay. So if you take 2 by pi, pi into 2 by pi. Okay. Plus y is equal to 9. Pi and pi will get cancelled. So 2 plus y is equal to 9. That is y is equal to 9 minus 2. So y is equal to 7. So what is the solution we are getting here? If I am substitute 2 by pi, the value of y is equal to 7. See here, we are having the first solution here and the second solution here. Likewise, I am going to simply take different value like 3 by pi. The same thing, 3 by pi. That is pi into 3 by pi plus y is equal to 9. Pi and pi will get cancelled now. Plus 3 goes that side, it will become minus 3. So we got y is equal to the value is 6. So the next set of solution is 3 by pi, 6. In the same way, the fourth value I am taking x is equal to 4 by pi. So then what will be happen? Pi into 4 by pi plus y is equal to 9. Pi and pi will get cancelled. So y is equal to 9 minus 4. Y is equal to 5. So the fourth set of solution is 4 by pi, 5. 4 by 5, 5. See here, I am taking just we have the different value coefficient of x, pi. So I am taking the values of x in the terms of pi. Okay. If it is not only you have to take the value of x in the form of pi, not like that. You can take x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like whole numbers also, and we can substitute and we can find the corresponding values of y here. Okay. So based on this manner, you have to solve the other solution to this problem also. Finding four solution is take any four random values of x and find the values of y. Okay, children. We'll solve the third problem now. Okay, the third problem of this exercise. Check which of the following are the solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Here an equation is given x minus 2y is equal to 4. Some options of solutions are given here. We have to check which one is the correct solution for this given equation. Okay. So whenever you are going to check whether it is a solution or not, that solution must satisfy this equation. For example, here 0, 2. The first value you have to take it as, see here whenever we are having the pair like this, the first value for x and the second value for y. So you have to substitute the value for x and y, and you have to check whether the right hand side value is equal to the left hand side value. So see here we are having to x minus 2y is equal to 4. So whenever we are substituting this x and y value here, if we get the value as 4, then it is the solution of this equation. Okay, if we are getting the other values, means it is not the solution of this equation. This way only we are going to solve this problem here. So what is the given equation here? X minus 2y y is equal to 4. Okay, so the first subdivision is 0, 2. Okay, we'll solve the first subdivision first. Okay, we'll go with the first subdivision. What is the equation given? X minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, if I take the first subdivision, the given is 0, 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Shall we substitute this equation? X minus 2y. So x minus 2y is equal to, what is the value of x? 0 minus 2 into y value is 2. What is 0 minus 2 into 2? 4. The value is minus 4. But here we are having x minus 2y is equal to 4. So minus 4 is not equal to 4. Isn't it? So we are not getting the left hand side value is equal to the right hand side value. Therefore, what is the conclusion? 0, 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution of the given equation. Okay, so in this manner only we are going to check the second and third subdivision also. See the second subdivision, what we are having? Root 2, comma 4 root 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to root 2. That will be a bracket. So x is equal to root 2, comma y is equal to 4 root 2. Y is equal to 4 root 2. Shall we substitute the equation? X minus 2y. So x minus 2y. What is x? Root 2 minus 2 into, what is the value of y? 2 into 4 root 2. So solve this. What will be the value? Root 2 minus 4 2s are 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2, which is equal to minus 7 root 2. We got x minus 2y is equal to minus 7 root 2. But we have to, if it is satisfied, the equation should be equal to 4. It is also not equal to 4. Therefore, what is the value? Root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Okay, now the third one, 4 comma 0. In 4 comma 0, now I hope you understand the process what we are doing, isn't it? Let us check for 4 comma 0. So what is x? X is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. This is the third solution. That is, what is the equation? X minus 2y. So x minus 2y, 4 minus 2 into 0. That is 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4. See here, I am exactly getting x minus 2y is equal to 4. The LHS value is equal to RHS. So among this third only the solution of the given equation. Therefore, 4 comma 0 is the solution. Solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. For this sum is the solution. So whenever you are taking a equation, if you are having the options to check whether it is a solution or not, just substitute the value of x and y in the given equation and check whether it satisfies the given equation. If it satisfies, it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Okay. So now we will solve the next problem, fourth problem in this exercise. Okay, children. See the fourth problem in this exercise. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 as a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. We have to find the value of k here. They gave that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. In the previous problem, we have checked the given as a solution or not. Here they gave the solution and they are asking to find the unknown value k here. Okay. So if any two number x and y value is the solution of the given equation, surely it will satisfy the equation, isn't it? In the last problem, I explained it. So, if I substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, it satisfies this equation. So, no need to check that. Okay, directly we can substitute and we have to solve and find the value of k. Okay, so let us solve now. See here, a solution. So, what is the value of x we are having? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. And what is the given equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. If I substitute the value of x and y in this equation, what will happen? 2 into, in the place of x we have to place of y we have to replace 1 is equal to k. They are the values of x and y. So just replace in the corresponding place and solve. Okay, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is equal to k. 4 plus 3 is 7 is equal to k. That is therefore the value of k is equal to 7. We got the value of k as 7. So whenever you are having the equation with given solutions for x and y, if you are able to find, if you want to find the unknown values, means just substitute the value of x and y in the given equation, solve and find the value of unknown number. Okay, unknown variable what it is given in the equation. Okay, children. So with this we have completed our second exercise also. So today in this section we have discussed about the linear equation. New topic of linear equation in two variable. Okay. So keep in mind the linear equation in two variable is always in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A and b is not equal to 0 and it has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so in the first and second exercise we solve the basic problems of linear equation model. Okay, so based on this manner we have to solve your assignment problem also. Whatever we solve today, the same problem method you will be getting in your assignment PDF. You have to solve the problems based on this manner. Okay, children, thank you.